Even the burbs got money these days. Today is a day in the life of a large city handyman where the supply and demand ratio is skewed so far in my favor. Go back to the beginning of the illness and the demand for toilet paper. That's what the, no signal, buddy. That's pretty much what the demand for my work is. It's out of control. So I've got 2 stops today. Both customers have been with me for years. I'm gonna break it down, tell you how much time each task took, how much money I charged for each item, what materials I had for each task item is. Now we've got 2 ceiling fans and a toilet flapper. I think it's a toilet flapper. I'm rolling the dice in that it's a toilet flapper. They say that when they flush the toilet, they have to hold the handle down. And if they just flush the toilet and let go of the handle, it stops flushing. Likely it's a chain adjustment and a flapper. So I've already picked up a flapper and a new lever. The ceiling fans, they are not pre-wired for a ceiling fan. What I mean by that is the box in the ceiling. No. The box in the ceiling is meant for a light only, not the weight of a ceiling fan. So what I have to do is remove that box and put in the bracing to support a ceiling fan with a light kit. They always add extras. So today could turn out to be a $1,200 to $1,400 day. Right now, it's only looking like it's going to be like an $850 day. That's just a couple hours. So I'm hoping to have this all knocked out, and with their extras, keep in mind, with their extras, I'm hoping to have it all done in 5 hours. So that'll be about $1,200 to $1,400 in 5 hours. Be right back. It's the only light bulb they have. So they're going to have to pick up a fancier light bulb, but for right now, it's getting old. An old-fashioned incandescent. I don't even know if it works. Boom. There it is. That job was as straightforward as you can get. 2 ceiling fans and a light fixture. Working on those tract homes from the 90s is so easy. Maybe because that's where I started my career. When I got out of high school, I worked as an electrician doing nothing but roughing and trimming 1990s houses, because that's when I did it. 1996. All right, where do I gotta go here? I got a feeling I'm supposed to be in that lane. So that one was super straightforward. They added the light fixture. It was $350 per ceiling fan, and I only charged them $150 to put that light fixture in. So the next stop, they've already added a whole plethora, whole bunch more of extras. And from curtains to outdoor decorative lighting, I don't know, there's a whole bunch of things on that list that'll easily probably come out to $500. I will put an overlay, a text overlay on all these jobs so you know the time and money, because those are always the questions. That flapper is supposed to come all the way up, the standard press. There we go, that's what you want right there. Nice flush. As you can see, this is a weird design. You're probably wondering what I'm talking about. I'm changing the furnace filter. And the furnace filter is inside the furnace. Usually there's a compartment right here that you just slide up a little door. You can swap it in and out. But this one here, you need a special tool. You need one of these, or a flathead would work also. I'll show you where it's located, and we'll just get this swapped out real quick. Pretty horrible design. I'll bring you down close, show you what it looks like in there. Just get shoved in there, and there's this little thing that holds it in place, but when it gets clogged, air can come around here and into the fan. So I'll do my best to get it in there as well as I can without bending it, crinkling it. Yeah, there's a new filter in place, not bent, not creased. today's a good day. I'm gonna make it home before noon, take a nice long nap, maybe edit some YouTube videos. Yeah, this is it. If you can do this work, that's the easy part. So a lot of people ask, how do you get these customers? How do you get customers that won't hang curtains and won't screw in little eye hooks and hang their own lights? That's just the way it is in a large city with a high white collar population. They don't want to do it. They probably could do it. They figured out how to make a whole bunch of money to pay me, but they, hold on, rough road. They don't want to do it. They'd rather buy free time and do something different. If you got questions, I got answers. You can put them in the comments below, or you can go to my business YouTube channel. I made a whole YouTube channel dedicated to talking about how I get work, how I keep work, how I come up with the dollars that I charge people, things like that. It's got over 80,000 subscribers and it gets a ton of views. It's actually gets almost as much views as this channel. So I'll put a link for that in the description. I don't know where we are in my video edits, but we're probably in something really good, like a remodel. So we'll be back to doing that remodel next week. Maybe it's this week. Not sure what my upload schedule is. That's enough rambling for today. Goodbye.